Alright guys, today's video I'm going to announce the giveaway winner of the free shoes and also going to tell you guys how you can cop on the Nike Snkrs app. Let's go. Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back. Today, like I said, we're going to finally announce the giveaway winner for the free pair of shoes I'm giving out. And also I'm going to show you guys how you can cop the Union Air Jordan collab coming out on the Nike Snkrs app October 16th. Fire video. Let's get into this giveaway winner though, because I want to show you guys who won. I'm super excited for that. I'm going to give away a sick pair of shoes. So let's get into that. Alright, so for the giveaway, I had everyone who entered and who was eligible, who followed all the rules. I gave them a random number, put them in a Google Sheet. It's all sorted down. If you want extra entries, then you basically got another number with your name by it in that Google Sheet. There's about 200 entries. So we're gonna run a random number generator between 2 and 200. I'll switch the tab right here and it'll go over to the Google Sheet. It'll show you guys, I'll scroll down to the number. Whoever wins, it'll be right there. You guys are gonna wanna see this. I'm gonna run it for 15 seconds. Let's go. All right, it's running now. I'm kind of scared for this, honestly. This is intense. 6, 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right, and then we stop it. 14. Number 14 is, oh, congrats. Gracie Lake is the winner for the free shoes. Make sure to DM me on Instagram today, right after I post this video. You'll be able to see this and just DM me. I'll get you that sick free pair of shoes. Guys, I'm gonna have a ton of free shoes. Tons of giveaways coming out, especially with the holidays. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on as well. If you guys want to cop those Union Jordans coming up, stick around the rest of the video real quick and give you one of the biggest keys to copying on Nike sneakers. So stay tuned, let's get into that. All right, now we're gonna get into the Union Jordan drop. This drop is gonna be happening on the Nike Snkrs app on October 16th. We already saw it released back in September, but now they're gonna be coming out with it on the Nike Snkrs app. Very exclusive, only really coming out on there. So you guys are going to want to know how to cop, and I got all the big tips for that release right here. We're going to have 3 of the 4 Union Jordan shoes. Like I said, these ones right here, the Union 4 Guavas, will not be releasing on the Nike Snkrs app. Sad, but there are 3 shoes that you guys are definitely going to want to cop on there. Do not sleep on these. I'm going to break them down for you and show you how you can cop them. First up, on October 16th, we have the Jordan Zoom 92 Guava Ice. This colorway is super clean. The Zoom 92 model has been getting some hype recently. I've seen a lot of different colorways, so it's a good shoe, especially as a collab item. It's going to be nice. Retail is going to be at $150, and then resale, I'm thinking between $200-$300. It's going to drop a little bit. Prices are about at $250 to $350 right now, so I'm thinking around maybe $200 to $300 it'll settle out. So still a good cop, especially the kind of lower retail. $150 is not bad, so you won't want to miss out on this one. Next, we're going to have the Jordan Delta Mid Off Noir. This one retails at $160, and this is not the most hype like model, but it is a nice colorway. The Off Noir is really nice, and I think resale is going to be pretty good on this one too. I'm thinking about $260 to $300. It'll be a little higher than I think on that Zoom 92 just because the model is a little more popular. But right now it's currently selling for good, so you won't want to sleep on that one either. And then third, we're going to have the Union Air Jordan 4 Off Noir. This one you guys are going to want to go so hard for. Definitely going to want to cop this one. Retail is high. It's at $250 just like these ones were. But the value is going to be insane. It's going to be growing so much. Prices will probably drop after the sneakers drop and once people get their pairs in, but that shoe is going to be a really good pair to hold. So let's get into the video right now how you guys can cop it. Now, whether you're trying to cop this shoe for yourself, for the toe, to resell, for your mom, your sister, your dog, I don't even know, any of those, you're gonna want to know the best ways that you can cop on the Snkrs app. I've had a lot of success. I've had different accounts. I've been able to kind of manipulate the system to be able to cop multiple pairs, and it's been successful. I don't hit on every drop. I'm not perfect, but I do hit on a ton of drops. So I want to give you guys some advice for this specific drop. If you guys have any other questions in the future, make sure to hit my Instagram DMs, leave a comment. I'll definitely reach out to you guys and help you guys out. But right now we're going to talk about this Union drop. So for this Union drop on October 16th, it is loaded up as a draw. And so this drawing means that the entry is going to be open from about, I've seen 5 minutes to 30 minutes. Most likely it's gonna be 10 minutes. It should be 10. So you'll have 10 minutes to enter your sizes on your accounts in for all 3 of those shoes. It's not a super like time sensitive thing. You don't need to be the first one to do it. You just need to get your entry in that 10-minute slot and you'll be fine. But I do have some little tips that help your account. And if you get your account kind of verified in these ways, the Nike app is able to process and verify you quicker. And in that case, it's able to actually help you cop the shoe. So I'm gonna break down a couple different ways that you'll be able to do that. Make sure to have these on your Nike Snkrs app on your account. Step 1, guys, when the drop is happening, make sure to turn on Do Not Disturb. You don't want to get a phone call where you're trying to like fill out your card information or anything like that. You just want to have a smooth drop. After the drop, sure, turn it back on. But during the drop, make sure to just turn that off. And getting into having your card in there right, you can actually go in and type in your card information and have it all saved, have your billing address, shipping address, and have it all saved so you don't have to spend time doing that. You can also put like your preferred size, so it automatically does that. Now it doesn't help too much in draws. In draws, you just really want to make sure your card information is correct and billing address, everything is correct so you don't get any declines or anything, that everything can be verified smooth and you can have the best chance to cop there. But the biggest way and a mistake that I see a lot of people make is to not have a verified email and a verified phone number. And as you look right here on the Nike Snkrs app, you can see that you have to have that email and a phone number. Nike 100% needs you to be a real person. They try to do it as much as they can by having a real phone number, real email, and you need to have them verified. So I'm gonna walk you guys through how you guys can verify yourselves and make sure that your accounts are good. And this honestly helps you cop so much on the Nike Snkrs app. It's been so good to me. Okay, right here, we're on the main screen on the Nike Snkrs app. You're gonna wanna log into your account here and it'll take you onto your account. Once you get onto your account, you're gonna be able to click on your little person icon up here. Log in real quick. You can click on your person and you're gonna wanna hit settings right there. In settings, it'll take you to the actual Nike page. All right, once you get to the main Nike page, you're gonna wanna scroll down. Make sure you have a good email in there, and you're gonna wanna make sure that your mobile phone number is in there. And honestly, if you guys haven't hit in a while, or if you just don't have the right number in there, I would edit this number. You can even type in the same exact number you had, but I would edit that number. It'll send you a new verification code, and right there, that re-verifies your account. And this is very crucial, especially if you kind of keep up on it, because it's important that Nike knows that you're not a bot. And so this is one of the biggest ways, is to have a verified account. And so if you guys do that, it'll increase your odds so much, because a lot of people just use like their normal Nike account, or they use old accounts and they're not verified some of the times. So you want to make sure that it's verified by doing this. And in the settings, you can see that there's an email and a phone number. If you click on both of these, it can have you actually send a verification to it to re-verify, or if you want to change anything, you can verify a new thing. And so that's another way you can do it if you don't want to do it on the desktop, but definitely make sure to do that. Now, like I said, draws are really luck-based. In the future, I'll make some videos on how you guys can cop if it's a Leo drop, which is actually like a 2-minute drawing where you got to get in super quick, or just first come, first serve, you got to flow. And that one is just so based on luck, exclusive access, speed, things like that. But for this drawing, just make sure, honestly, to have all your info in right. Take your time to get it in the actual Nike app. Another big thing is to just have other people enter for you, like get your mom, get your cousins, anyone who can actually make an account with a phone number, can use a different email, their email, whatever. You can have them do that, but make sure you guys aren't using the same card on different accounts, as Nike does flag that. If it's like a hype drop, they're gonna flag that because they don't want the same person getting multiple pairs. So make sure you guys are using different cards. There's an actual app called Privacy, which switches up your card information, but it still links it to the same card. So you can use that. But my biggest advice is to just make sure that information is correct when you go to check out, when you go to actually enter the drawing, and then make sure that your guys' phone number, emails are all verified, and that you guys aren't rushing when you're entering for the shoe. And then third, just have everyone enter. Just get your friends, pay someone, I don't know, $2, $5, hit them up on the Venmo. But really, it's all worth it, because any little thing you can do to increase your odds is how you cop. And it's how I've had so much success recently on Nike Snkrs app. So guys, best of luck. Thank you guys for coming to the video today. Again, I'm gonna have so many giveaways in the future, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along. Snkrs Kicks is growing, and I'm grateful for you guys. We'll see you next time.